Kabooleans.com Productions presents
Malevolent Microwave Etiquette.
10 Commandments for Using the Microwave. Motivational animated story. New show every 2 weeks. Every Kaboolean spectacle strives to inspire, to live a life meaningful and happy. One key to being happy is to live with others in harmony. In 1946, one of the most important devices was invented on planet Earth. We're talking about the microwave. Many have used it since birth. From 30-second quick bites to 7-minute dinner feasts, it has been a blessing to many. However, to others, microwave use has been a malevolent curse
And not worth a penny.
Therefore, here's 10 commandments for using the microwave in your office space.
Thou shalt not hog the microwave while others are waiting in place. Oh, come on, Jack! You've been heating up your frozen chicken for 10 minutes! For goodness grace! Thou shalt not leave 1 second on the timer. Not cool.
Can you please clear the timer? You're not helping me with 1 second, Abdul!
Thou shalt fix the microwave turning plate.
You better fix this turning plate, or else it's gonna get real ugly here, Kate.
Thou shalt not abandon food. Don't just walk away. Still here? Whose onion and garlic is this? It's been sitting here for 30 minutes! Oy vey! Thou shalt not heat stinky food in the microwave, causing puke and ill.
Bucky, your garlic fish stinks so bad that Dracula isn't the only person you're gonna kill!
Thou shalt not touch other people's food still in the microwave, even abandoned food. Don't you dare blink!
But Maggie, I'm just trying to take out your...
Don't touch my food! Thou shalt help clean and not make a big scene.
Thanks for cleaning this mess, but you don't have to announce it to the world, Dean!
Thou shalt not bicker over microwave.
Rose, I got a meeting in 5 minutes.
But I got to go to a meeting in 1 minute, Dave! Thou shalt not slam the microwave door, even if you are in a fit. Jesus! You break it, you buy it! Thou shalt not splatter and make a crime scene.
Daisy, cover up your volcanic spaghetti platter and be clean! Abide by these rules, and any stress with the microwave should cease. Let us share the microwave with love and peace. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe, like, and share. Please comment below or email us at contactus@kabulians.com. Thank you.